She needs some cheering up. Let's get her some cat toys. We're gonna get her some cat toys. I'm super excited. So let's get her cat toys. She needs some cheering up because her leg, look at her leg. She dislocated her hip. So I'm going to get some cat toys. I got these cat toys off of cats. There are 4 cat toys. I'm going to get some scissors and open up these cat toys. I've actually had these for a really long time. You can see that they're kind of wrinkled. So I'm going to get this open. I just opened it. I don't know what's inside. Oh, I get it. Let me undo it. Cat toys don't have to be the most best toys. But this is still a very good cat toy. Just watch. Okay, let's get her. Oh my gosh, she is so heavy. She's already like 40 pounds. You can see on the tip. Let me get it. There's a little decoration. There's a little button up the top. This is a pretty nice cat toy though. Let's set that over here. And I'm going to show you when we play with it. Wow, look at this one. Look at the nice details on the top. Wow, not really details, but this is nice. It's a nice silky touch. Wow, this is a very nice cat toy. She like it? Okay, she loves that one. Oh, she's so heavy. For just being her age, she's already a super heavy cat. Wow, look at that top on this toy. I'm going all over the place. Look at the thick top. And it goes from this brown piece to this black piece. Then it goes all the way down to the top. This is some very good detail work. At least it doesn't have the button at the top, but it does have a big top. I'm going to set that over here, and let's see. I think there's one. Yes, one last toy. This was an unlimited bag. So there's just so much stuff in there. Oh, I'm not going to show you that. Okay. This one is just a plain white one with its shoelace. It goes down to this beautiful brown. This brown goes all the way down to this. That is cool. Let's see. Wow, what was that? Okay. Well, let's see if she likes it. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's get the first toy that we've had. This one. Okay, she likes that one. Whoops. Let's see. Now we have this one. I love this one. No, only a ton of details, but it's nice. Let's see. Well, she likes that one. Oops. It's a brush. Next we have this one. I love the ball tip. And then stop. Wow. Okay, she loves that one. And next, last but not least, we have this. Plain white shoelace goes to this beautiful brown color. Oh, she went after that one right away. Even with that 3 legs. She's killing it. Well, that one she absolutely loved. Oh, bye guys. Please subscribe. And I hope you like this video. Bye guys.